Today we are going to give you an effective way to get rid of acne. But first we need to understand what acne is and what causes it. This is so that they don't occur again and again after you get rid of them. Acne appear as a result of excessive production of sebum, which clogs the skin pores. If the pore is partially closed and air is allowed to enter it, acne will begin to form. Anaerobic bacteria, Propionibacterium acnes or Malassezia, multiply rapidly in a completely blocked pore like in a container, causing inflammation and suppuration. Acne can be a symptom of a number of diseases, such as physiological changes in hormonal status, puberty, second phase of the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, lactation, menopause, diseases of the endocrine system, polycystic ovary syndrome, hypothyroidism, tumors of endocrine glands, thickening of the stratum corneum of the epidermis, hyperkeratosis, when dead epidermal cells are not exfoliated, but remain on the skin, clogging the sebaceous glands, liver disease and intoxication caused by them, diseases of the gastrointestinal tract, impaired motility and peristalsis of the intestine, frequent constipation contribute to intoxication and the appearance of acne. Streptococcal and staphylococcal infections provoke the formation of acne. Now we will give you a recipe for baking soda solution, which should be taken for no more than 2 weeks strictly on an empty stomach. Baking soda should be taken with great care, as baking soda is both our helper and our enemy. Taking a solution of baking soda inside as a remedy for acne is a topic of interest to many who seek to improve the condition of their skin. However, it is important to realize that before starting any treatment, it is worth consulting with a doctor or dermatologist to avoid undesirable consequences and choose the most suitable method. So how does baking soda work? Baking soda is a powerful alkali. It quickly reduces acidity. And the acid-alkaline balance, pH, of baking soda is very close to the natural healthy pH level of our blood. Scientists have proven that baking soda increases the number of anti-inflammatory cells in the body, strengthens immune defense, activates the absorption of vitamins, and neutralizes poisons. But if you take baking soda in large quantities or for a long time, there will be a disruption of the acid-alkaline balance in the body. A shift in the acid-alkaline balance in the body to the alkaline side, known as alkalosis, can lead to various physiological changes and symptoms. Here are some of them. Muscle spasms and cramps. Increased pH levels can interfere with the transmission of nerve impulses, sometimes resulting in muscle spasms. Fatigue and weakness. Alkalosis can cause general fatigue and weakness because cells cannot utilize oxygen efficiently. Breathing problems. In some cases, alkalosis can lead to rapid breathing and hyperventilation, further exacerbating the problem. Changes in heart rhythm. High pH levels can affect heart activity, causing arrhythmias. Electrolyte imbalance. Alkalosis can lead to a decrease in blood potassium levels, which can also cause serious complications. Difficulties in nutrient absorption. A change in pH can affect the absorption of certain vitamins and minerals, leading to brittle bones, thinning nails, graying hair, and deterioration of teeth. Therefore, take baking soda for exactly 14 days. During this time, acne should disappear. If you notice improvement, but the acne has not completely disappeared, then take a break for 7 days and then drink baking soda solution for another 1 week. Take baking soda only on an empty stomach, since the stomach secretes acid, gastric juice, to digest food. If you eat and immediately drink a solution of baking soda, the alkali will neutralize the gastric juice and food will not be digested, which will lead to a violation of the gastrointestinal tract. So be careful and cautious. And now write down the recipe for the baking soda solution. Get up early in the morning and don't eat anything. Take a large glass, put half a teaspoon of baking soda in it. It's about 3 grams. Boil 150 milliliters of water and pour in the baking soda. It should hiss and dissolve completely. Then add 100 milliliters of cold water to it, so that the solution becomes warm and you can drink it without hurrying in small sips. After 30 minutes, you can have breakfast, and so for 14 days. If your doctor does not recommend you to take a solution of baking soda inside, then you can apply the second method. Fill a bathtub with warm water, no more than 40 degrees Celsius. Add there 300 grams of sea salt and 150 grams of baking soda. Take a therapeutic bath for 15 to 20 minutes. At the end of water procedures, should lie down for 30 minutes. It is better to organize such sessions just before going to bed. Take such baths 3 times a week for 1 month, and you will notice the results. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are not recommended to use baking soda or baking soda baths. You can get rid of acne not by using baking soda, but simply by changing your diet. First of all, remove from your diet fast carbohydrates, fast food, baked goods, fried, fatty foods. Excess omega-6 fatty acids can aggravate inflammatory processes in the skin. Abuse of dairy products, sunflower oil, peanut oil, soybean oil, and margarine often causes sebum hyperfunction. Add foods containing zinc, vitamins A and E, and omega-3 fatty acids to your diet. If you apply the baking soda recipe and at the same time change your diet, you will be able to get rid of acne much faster. Hopefully, these tips will help you get a clean and healthy skin. Follow these recommendations, and soon you will notice the results. Remember that the main thing is regular care and patience. Be confident in yourself and your beauty. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more useful tips. See you in the next videos.